Hello grade 3, how are you doing? I hope everything is fine. So today we have unit 9, lesson 2, what are the states of matter? So please open your page 366. So as we said earlier, we have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. So here we need to answer those. We're gonna say what's the state of each one of you. So we're gonna identify the solids, liquids and gases in the picture by writing S for solid, L for liquid, G for gas in each box. We're gonna start with the curtains. So what do you think? Solid, good job. Okay, what about the ribbon? Solid, super. Okay, what about the ice cubes? Solid, good job. What about the orange drink? Liquid, amazing. What about the air in the balloon, inside the balloon? Gas, super. What about the bubbles in here? Gas, amazing. Sorry for that, I'm writing with. Okay, here, what about the plastic? Obviously it's solid. So today's lesson is super easy, just doing the same thing. What are the states? So we said again, the states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. So here they said, how would this igloo be different if its temperature was 10 degrees? So the ice actually would be like water, because 10 degrees in here, it means kind of hot for the igloo stuff. So this ice would be water, okay? So you can write water on it, just to make it, or the ice would be water, okay? So let's write it. The ice would be water. Sorry for the handwriting, but I'm writing like holding the camera and writing. So how can you tell that the temperature of the snow is below 0 degrees? Why we can tell that the temperature is below 0 degrees? If you look in here, you will see some snowflakes. So you're gonna write because of the snowflakes. Okay. So yeah. Here they said the snowball holds together because the water in it's frozen into a solid over here. The girl here, I'm sorry. So the girl can skate on ice because ice is a solid. So we know that ice is solid. The normal water that we drink is liquid. And then here we have hail is water that falls to earth as small balls of ice. So the hail is solid as well because it's like ice. This is what you should know. And also you should know that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, in here just add heat. So what we're gonna do is they said water is a liquid between the temperatures of 0 degrees and 100 degrees. So this is, you should know that water between 0 and 100, the water is liquid. If the sun heats this ice here sculpture enough, it will begin to melt. Okay, we know that. So what you should know from here is that from 0 Celsius to 100, the water is liquid. Below, for example, from let's say infinity under 0 to 0 is going to be cold, and from 100 to more it's going to be gas, okay, to infinity. So here are the two edges, and this is the medium one, which is the liquid, okay. So here we have a beautiful easy exercise to make. We have garden hose, and we have ice cube, and we have boiling water. What we're gonna do is we will see each one, or we're gonna match actually with the temperature of the water in it. Okay, which one here shows a high temperature for a boiling water, that is to 100 Celsius, let's say? Do you see that? Okay, it means it's boiling. Okay, which one shows a normal water between 0 and 100, in between? Do you see that? Between, yes it is. So we're gonna do this. Okay, which one is under 0 or 0? The ice cube. Good job. Okay, what you're gonna do here is, now you see it, evaporation. So we said evaporation is when water actually changes from liquid, or the state of water changes from liquid to gas. We call it evaporation, okay? So water can evaporate from these places like the puddle. So we had here water, because we had a lot of heat. What happens? All the water evaporated, so we just have a little over here. So this is evaporation. Move on to the condensation, which is totally the opposite. The condensation is when they said here water vapor condense as it cools and lose energy. So what is condensation? Actually when the gas becomes liquid, or change back to liquid. So it's basically the opposite of evaporation. Evaporation, we have a liquid becomes gas. Now when this gas becomes a liquid again, we call it condensation, okay. Here they said what happened to water vapor in this girl's warm breath as she breathed on the cold window. So here we have a cold window, and the girl, she just breathed over here, like she breathed over here, like it's kind of weird, but yeah, what happened to the water vapor? I don't know if you see it here, is it clear? But this is, all this white one is the water vapor, okay. So what happened is it's condensed into tiny water drops. What happens to the water? It condensed into tiny water drops. I'm just telling for you so you can know what happened to water vapor in this girl's warm breath as she breathed on the cold window over here. So what happened actually is that the water vapor get condensed, so, and we had some water droplet, okay. Passing to here, I already solved this quickly. So this state of matter does not have a definite size or shape, so it's actually the water vapor. The state of matter has a definite size and takes the shape of its container. So who takes the shape of its container? Super, the liquid. During this process, a liquid changes to gas, so it's the evaporation process. This state of matter has a definite size and shape, so basically, which is the solid or the ice over here. During this process, a gas changes to a liquid, basically in the condensation. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.